Hello, hello friends. Welcome to this video lectures of digital techniques. So, in the last lecture, we had discussed about standard and non-standard form or of POS and SOP. Right. So, what do we mean by standard SOP and what do we mean by standard POS? And on the other hand, what is non-standard and what is non-standard POS? Both. So just to recall, a standard SOP, or here we are talking about this standard POS. So in a given equation, every term should have all the literals, right? Every term should have all the literals either in complement or uncomplement form. Okay, so if that is not the case, then it is a non-standard form. And in this lecture, we are trying to convert this POS, non-standard POS, to standard POS form. Right? In these exams, you may have a 4-mark question to convert a given equation to standard form, either SOP or POS. So let's try to convert this. But how they are converted? So let's see each step here. So first is for each term. Now here we are talking about POS. For each POS term, we first find the missing literals. Right? What is missing? A, B, C or D? What is missing in that? So first we find the missing literal. कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट या कौन सा इनपुट या कौन सा लिटरल वहाँ पे मिसिंग है, पहले हम वो देखते हैं. देन वी यूज़ ऑरिंग ऑपरेशन विथ ईच टर्म फॉर्म बाय एंडिंग द मिसिंग लिटरल in that term with the complement. Now this sentence may seem complicated for you, but it is quite easy. You'll understand why solving that. Lastly, we simplify the expression to get the standard POS form. Right? तो देखते हैं. Let's see. Let's try to solve this. Convert the equation into standard POS form. So what is given equation? Y equal to A plus B, A bar plus C bar, A plus C. Now how many literals we have? We have A, B, C literals, right? And 3 terms. So you can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Right? So considering these 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3, first we'll find the missing literals in each term. Now you can see in this first term C is missing, here B, right, and here also if you see B is missing. Okay. Now according to this ending laws, can I say A into A bar, this is 0. Okay. So I am just going to add in each of the term these missing literals, right? So it should be, since C is missing, Y equal to A plus B plus C into C bar. Now you can see C into C bar, this term is 0, which means we have A plus B, this term. So this is without changing the meaning of given equation, right? Then we can have A bar plus C bar plus B into B bar, then A plus C plus again B into B bar. We are just taking the missing literal here. We are ending the missing literal and its complement and then ORing with the given term, right? We use ORing operation with each term formed by ending the missing literals in that term with the complement. So that is what here it is said. जो term missing है वो टर्म उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड किया है और पूरे उसको गिवन टर्म के साथ ऑरिंग किया है। यहाँ पे भी देखो बी मिसिंग है, बी और उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंडिंग किया है और फिर दिए हुए टर्म के साथ उसको ऑरिंग किया है। दैट इज़ व्हाट द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इट मीन्स, राइट। now this step is very important. Just be careful while taking the next step. Here we can write without changing. This is just for understanding purpose. Meaning of given equation, right? Yeah. So now y equal to, just look at this term. I'll take a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, and in another bracket I can take a plus b plus c bar. Okay, here I'll take a bar plus, first I'll take this b plus c bar and a bar plus b bar plus c bar, right? Now this term, this third term, a plus b plus c, a plus b bar plus c, right? So this is how I have spread these given terms. Still the meaning of this equation remains same. Now if I just look at this equation, I can find out similar terms. So I have a plus b, right? Then there are no other similar terms. So my y becomes y equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c bar, a bar plus b plus c bar, a bar plus b bar plus c bar, and then this term a plus b bar plus c. Okay, so how many terms are we getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms we are getting, right? So this is the standard POS form of given equation, right? So what was our equation? A plus b, a bar plus c bar, a plus c. This was non-standard POS form, and we have converted these to standard POS form. Okay, so this is how you can convert a given POS into standard POS. This standard POS. Right? We can go for another example also. So consider this second equation. Now here, if you see, this equation is present in the POS, product of sum form, because here we have taken a plus c is sum, a plus 1 we can say is a, and a plus b bar is again, so these are sum and their product we have taken, right? So this term is in POS form. Now convert these to standard POS. Is this given equation in the standard POS form? It is not, because you can see here b is missing, here both b and c are missing, and here c is missing, right? So let us try to convert this. So given equation y equal to a plus c, a plus b bar. Now find the missing literals, literals, in each term. Okay, and then my y is a plus c plus, now here b is missing, so this is b into b bar. Here both they are missing, so it is a plus b into b bar plus c into c bar. And in the third term c literal is missing, so this is a plus b bar plus c into c bar. Okay, now my y is, now this may become a some lengthy term or lengthy expression. So let's see, a plus b plus c, then considering this term a plus b bar plus c. Okay, now considering this term, the second one, it is a plus, now here first I will consider b and then these two, then b bar and then these two. So just be careful while looking at this. So it is a plus b plus c, right? Then a plus b plus c bar. Okay, so I have done this b. Now I need to go for b bar. So it is a plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar plus c, and a plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, then considering this third equation, third term, it is a plus b bar plus c and a plus b bar plus c bar. So this is how you can write down the next step so as to convert this into standard POS form. Now looking for similar terms. So we have ABC, a plus b plus c. So this is a plus b plus c, this is a plus b plus c, right? Then we have a plus b bar plus c. So here you can see a plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar plus c, and a plus b bar plus c, right? Then a plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, so this equation you can see, right? Now just taking out only one this term out of these multiple terms. So my y is a plus b plus c, so this I have done. Then a plus b bar plus c, this is also done, this I have taken. Then a plus b plus c bar, this I have done, this I have taken. Then a plus b bar plus c bar, so this I have taken, this I have taken. Okay, so how many terms we get at the end? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the standard POS form equation, right? So this is how we can convert the given non-standard POS into its standard or canonical POS form. Okay, just understand that we are trying to convert non-standard POS to standard POS, right? POS only we are looking for, but from non-standard to standard. or canonical form, right? Now we can go for this, right? So once you have understood how to convert, you can try for this equation. So it is a plus b bar in one bracket, in another a plus c bar, right? So you can see that these are POS form. So convert given POS into standard POS form. Okay. In the next lecture we will go for conversion of this standard, non-standard SOP to standard SOP. Thank you.